Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Jiro and I'm here to show you my final project capstone for CS50 Web, RecipeNinja. RecipeNinja is a recipe sharing website where users can explore a bunch of recipes and create and share their own recipes. So before we play around any further, let me log myself in first. Alright, so now I'm logged in and this is the home page. And clicking on any one of these will take me to the explore page with the cuisines already filtered. So let's try to look for French recipes. So let's check out one of them, maybe the classic French croquembouche. So I've actually liked this recipe and I can also save this recipe. Now saving this recipe will save this recipe in my saved recipes tab. So this is all the recipes I've saved in this website. So this is very convenient for me. If I like a recipe and I want to get back to it later, I can just click save and refer to it later. In a recipe page, you can see the image for the dish, the cuisine, of course the recipe name, the creator of this recipe, a short description, estimated duration of cooking the recipe, the difficulty of this recipe, nutrition facts, complete list of ingredients, a very organized set of step-by-step instructions, reviews, which of course you can write one yourself too. Very nice. You can also like others' reviews and you can also share this recipe by clicking on this button, and now the link should be copied to your clipboard. Now you can also follow other people. So I've actually followed this guy here, Baker Bro, and clicking on his profile page should let me see all the recipes he's posted on his site. I can see all the followers and following that he has. So these are all his followers, and he's following me and another user called Health Chef. So I can unfollow him and follow him back. Now what does following him do? Following him allows me to newest recipes on my timeline or my feed. So these are all the recipes that are posted by the users that I follow. Now let's try to create a recipe for ourselves. So here we can see the very sleek recipe creation form. So let's just make a very random bizarre recipe, right? Set the difficulty level for this recipe and specify the cuisine. Maybe it's an American recipe, right? Create recipe, and boom, we'll be taken to my new recipe page with this very beautiful layout that shows you all the details of this recipe. And of course now this recipe is shown in my feed, so these are all the 7 recipes that I've posted to this website. So let me just delete this random experimental recipe. Of course I can also customize and personalize my profile page so it looks really good. Can add a profile picture, add a banner, change my first and last names, and of course, and also add a bio. Of course, certainly this website is also already fully responsive on every screen size ever. It's beautiful. So that is it for RecipeNinja. Basically it's a community-based cookbook where everyone can just learn from each other and share. And yeah, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching.